Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, December 10th, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through something very briefly, not even really an example so much as pointing out a capability that you may not be aware of. Sometimes people on Windows would like to set up a VisualWorks or Object Studio server as an automation server, something that will serve as a COM server system that would feed clients using COM instead of the other way around where VisualWorks or Object Studio are acting as clients to some COM service. To do that, what you need to do is go to the Parcel Manager. And once that comes up, what you need to do is go down here to Directories. Now, I'm going to show you an extension that allows you to set this up in a threaded fashion as opposed to just a non-threaded fashion. If you just load the COM all package, you'll get a thread blocking version, meaning anytime VisualWorks is handling a COM issue, it'll do so in a blocking fashion. If you want that to not happen, what you need to do is scroll down until you get to Preview down here at the bottom. And under Preview, one of the options is Multi-Threaded COM. Select this middle one, Automation Multi-Threaded Extensions, and do a load. Partway through the load, you'll notice this. COM has been reinitialized to work multi-threaded. So that will tell you that it's loaded the entire COM Connect and also set it up to work in a threaded fashion if you're using automation services. So if you load your server piece in and you want to set VisualWorks or Object Studio up as a COM server, you now have the ability to do that as a fully threaded server. Now let's take a brief look at what that's done. So let's bring up the browser, and if you scroll down a bit, what we'll find is these various COM things. So here's COM Olay multi-threaded, so it's brought a bunch of things in here. And we'll go up here, COM multi-threading system. That's just setting up some system variable stuff. The most important part is here, the automation service. If you come in here to the dispatch interface, for instance, you'll notice that it's replaced a lot of the invocation stuff with threaded invocations. So that means every time something calls into the system, it will happen in a threaded fashion instead of a blocking fashion. And that's really what you want if you're setting up a server to work with COM. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.